Good morning, guys. Today we are going to talk about a very powerful agent, or we can say a tool in the web development world, JavaScript. The enduring cadence of innovation, JavaScript's pervasive influence. Introduction. Setting the stage. Good morning, afternoon, esteemed colleagues and fellow enthusiasts. It is with profound pleasure and genuine excitement that I stand before you today to illuminate a subject that has not merely influenced but fundamentally recalibrated, adjusted, or changed something, often to improve it. The very fabric of our digital existence, JavaScript. Cast your gaze across the modern technological panorama, from the sleek, intuitive interfaces of your handheld devices to the intricate data-driven dashboards powering global enterprises. JavaScript operates as the silent yet formidable, inspiring fear and respect through being impressively large, powerful, intense, or capable engine propelling much of this ceaseless innovation. It is far more than a mere programming language. It is the unyielding bedrock, a strong, stable foundation upon which the contemporary web is meticulously constructed, and its reach extends far beyond. For the next 15 minutes, let us embark upon an illuminating odyssey to truly appraise, assess the value or quality of its remarkable genesis, its expansive capabilities, and its profound, very great, and indelible, impossible to forget impact on our collective human experience. Prepare to be genuinely inspired. A glimpse into the Genesis, the nascent chronicles. Let us retrospectively looking back on or reviewing past events. Retrospectively looking back. Journey to the year 1995. The Internet in its early stage, embryonic in its early stage of development phase, comprised predominantly static, lacking in the movement, action or change, repositories of information. It was akin to the digital library, albeit one without the immediate facility for dynamic interaction. It was at the crucial juncture that Brendan H., a visionary at Netscape, was tried hard to achieve something, endeavored, tried hard to achieve something with the momentous task of imbuing, giving a quality, the web browser with the capacity for interactivity in an astonishingly brief interregnum, uh, an interval or a pause, a mere 10 days he conceptualized and actualized what was initially christened like JavaScript, subsequently rebranded as JavaScript. Ponder, think about, ponder, think about the extraordinary feat for a moment, or dearth, a scarcity or lack of something, dearth, a scarcity or a lack of something, of time 10 days to meticulously lay the groundwork, create the foundations for something, for a language destined to catapult, launch, or propel with great force the Internet into an interactive, dynamic, and truly responsive domain. Its initial reason, deter, the most important reason, reason, the most important reason for or purpose for someone or something's existence was to lightweight, accessible, easy to access or understand, and executable directly within the browser, empowering it to programmatically manipulate elements on a web page. Its foundational purpose was inherently modest, yet its future trajectory was anything but. It rapidly burgeoned, burgeoned, began to grow, burgeoned, began to grow into incontrovertible, not able to be denied or disputed, and indispensable, absolutely necessary instrument for the burgeoning community of web developers. Second, the metamorphosis and the zenith. Beyond the browser's pale, for a considerable duration, JavaScript remained largely circumscribed, restricted within limits, circumscribed, restricted within the limits to the browser environment. Its primary function being the conferral, the act of granting something, conferral, the act of granting something, of interactivity upon websites. However, this proverbial, well-known confinement was destined to be challenged. A profound paradigm shift, a fundamental and a dramatic change in approach commenced to unfold, develop, or to reveal. Astute developers began to imagine as a future possibility JavaScript's potential extending far beyond its initial purview, the scope of influence or the concern. Purview, scope of influence or the concern. The unveiling, the act of making something public or known for the first time. Unveiling, the act of making something public or known for the first time. Of Node.js in 2009 represented an epiphanic epiphanic relating to epiphanic relating to moment, a veritable game changer. This innovative runtime environment empowered gave someone the authority JavaScript to operate server-side, meaning it could now adaptively orchestrate, arrange, orchestrate, arrange of a situation to produce desired effects. Backend logics interface with databases and manage API intricate API interactions, a domain previously the exclusive preserve preserve something reserved for a particular person of languages like Python or Java. This was an epoch making watershed moment epoch-making watershed moment, a truly significant turning point. Suddenly, developers possess the pre possess the unprecedented, unprecedented, never done, to leverage, use something to maximum advantage. A singular language for both the front end and for the back end. The unified technological stack, a set of software technologies used to build an application, not an explicit but also significantly ameliorated, made something bad or unsatisfactory better. Ame- ameliorated, ameliorated, made something. Development workflows fostering a more cohesive and efficient ecosystem. With the advent of Node.js, JavaScript presented browser-only confines, it began to underpin support complex web applications, facilitate real-time communication systems, and even manage large-scale enterprise solutions with a remarkable efficacy, the ability to produce the desired output, the inherent versatility, ability to adapt, inherent versatility to many different functions or activities rendered it eminently, very soon, eminently attractive and indispensable, absolutely necessary to both commercial entities and the global developer community. Thank you all. This is all about JavaScript.